Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Now let's get down to business. A sugar development levy will be collected by the Sugar Board instead of the county governments following approval by the National Assembly and the Senate. The Sugar Board has been tasked with, among others, repairing roads in sugarcane growing regions.
White sugar, including locally produced sweeteners, will be subject to sugar development levy after the Senate and the National Assembly rejected a proposal to exempt locally produced sugar from the levy. The sugar bill that is now awaiting presidential assent will see creation of an independent sugar board that will be mandated to regulate the value chain.
That was repealed through the enactment of the Crops Act 2013 to re-establish the Kenya Sugar Board, to invigorate the sugar sector through re-establishment of the Sugar Development Levy and the Sugar Development Fund, and to establish the Kenya Sugar Research Institute, was considered and passed by the National Assembly on the 27th of September 2023, and thereafter referred to the Senate for consideration in accordance with provisions of Article 110(4) of the Constitution.
Parliament agreed on the board's composition, with farmers and university dons being members of the board. Once constituted, the Sugar Board will collect the Sugar Development Levy, oversee construction and repair of key infrastructure in sugarcane growing areas.
400,000 small-scale farmers have been at risk because of this particular law called the AFA law, and with this amendment, all this has been righted.
Millers will be required to sign contract farming with farmers after legislators voted to abolish sugarcane zoning. The Sugar Board will also oversee research and cane development, including releasing new seed varieties to farmers. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.